Dull, lifeless hair can drag down your whole look, but the right hair shine spray can make all the difference. Whether you want to enhance your natural glow, finish off a styled look, or simply add a touch of luxury, we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 hair shine sprays that deliver salon-worthy brilliance. Stick around to discover which of these standout products is the perfect match for your hair type and styling routine. Kicking off our list at number 1, Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. The Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo isn't just a regular dry shampoo, it's a hybrid product that refreshes your hair while adding an incredible shine. Crafted with luxury and performance in mind, this spray is ideal for those looking to rejuvenate their style without sacrificing that healthy, glossy finish. Key features: this product is infused with Oribe's signature complex, which includes watermelon, lychee, and edelweiss flower extracts to protect hair from oxidative stress. Its lightweight formula absorbs oil and impurities while leaving behind a subtle shine. Free from parabens and sulfates, it's suitable for color-treated and keratin-treated hair. Benefits and usage: perfect for days when you skip washing, this dry shampoo adds volume, cleanses, and imparts a natural shine. To use, shake well and spray onto the roots, then brush through to distribute. The fine mist ensures no residue, leaving your hair looking refreshed and glossy. Usability: the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo is perfect for busy mornings or post-workout touch-ups. Its versatile formula works for all hair types and textures, making it a must-have for anyone who wants refreshed, shiny hair without a full wash. Durability: this product provides long-lasting results, keeping your hair fresh and luminous throughout the day. The nourishing formula also helps maintain the health of your hair, ensuring it stays vibrant over time. In the second spot, we have Bumble and Bumble Hairdressers Invisible Oil. The Bumble and Bumble Hairdressers Invisible Oil is a lightweight shine spray that doubles as a heat protector and frizz fighter. Infused with a blend of 6 luxurious oils, it's designed to leave your hair silky, smooth, and glowing. Key features: this product contains coconut, argan, macadamia nut, sweet almond, grapeseed, and safflower oils. It offers UV protection, shields against heat damage, and tames flyaways while adding an enviable shine. Free of sulfates and parabens, it's ideal for fine to thick hair. Benefits and usage: the multifunctional formula nourishes and protects your hair while delivering a radiant finish. Spray lightly on damp or dry hair before styling, or use it as a finishing touch for added shine. It's especially effective for frizz-prone hair. Usability: the Hairdresser's Invisible Oil is easy to incorporate into your routine. It's lightweight enough for fine hair, but powerful enough to tame thick or coarse textures, making it a versatile choice for various hair types. Durability: this spray offers lasting hydration and shine without weighing your hair down. Its protective properties ensure your hair stays healthy and resilient against daily environmental and styling stresses. Coming in at number 3 is the Shine Infusion. The Shine Infusion is a weightless thermal polishing spray that enhances shine while protecting your hair from heat damage. It's a favorite among stylists for its ability to create a glossy, smooth finish with minimal effort. Key features: this spray is formulated with Chi's innovative thermal styling technology, which ensures even heat distribution and maximum shine. It's infused with silk and natural botanicals to nourish and protect the hair, leaving it soft and silky. Benefits and usage: ideal for use with heat tools, this spray smooths frizz, enhances shine, and creates a polished look. Spray evenly onto dry hair before flat ironing or curling, or use it as a finishing spray for a glossy finish. Usability: the lightweight formula makes it easy to use without leaving any residue or greasy feel. Whether you're styling for a special occasion or just refreshing your look, this spray delivers professional results at home. Durability: the Shine Infusion provides a long-lasting glossy finish that holds up well throughout the day. Its protective formula also helps reduce heat damage, ensuring your hair remains healthy and vibrant over time. Taking our 4th spot is LOreal Elnett Satin Shine. The LOreal Elnett Satin Shine is a high-performance hairspray that combines long-lasting hold with a radiant shine. Known for its iconic formula, this spray is a staple in professional and personal styling kits worldwide. Key features: this product features a lightweight, micro-diffuser technology that delivers an ultrafine mist for even application. It provides a flexible hold while enhancing the natural shine of your hair. The formula is easy to brush out, making it perfect for both everyday and special occasion looks. Benefits and usage: the Satin Shine Spray locks in your style while adding a luminous finish. To use, hold the can 12 inches away and mist evenly over your finished hairstyle. It's ideal for securing updos or smoothing flyaways with a touch of gloss. Usability: the fine mist ensures that your hair remains touchable and natural looking, even with a strong hold. It's suitable for all hair types, making it a versatile addition to any haircare routine. Durability: the L'Oreal Elnett Satin Shine Spray provides long-lasting hold and shine that withstands humidity and movement. Its flexible formula allows you to maintain your style all day while keeping your hair looking healthy and vibrant. And finally, at number 5, we have Amika Blockade Shine Spray. The Amika Blockade Shine Spray is a luxurious finishing spray that delivers a mirror-like shine while protecting your hair from environmental stressors. Designed to enhance any hairstyle, it's a favorite for creating sleek, glossy looks. Key features: infused with sea buckthorn berry and lightweight silicones, this spray adds brilliant shine without weighing down your hair. It also offers UV protection, ensuring your hair stays healthy and vibrant. The formula is vegan, cruelty-free, and free of harmful sulfates. Benefits and usage: this spray provides an instant glossy finish, making it perfect for completing any hairstyle. To use, spray evenly over dry, styled hair for an instant boost of shine. Its lightweight texture ensures a natural, non-greasy feel. Usability: the Amika Blockade Shine Spray is easy to use and works well for all hair types. Whether you're adding the finishing touch to an updo or enhancing loose waves, this spray delivers flawless results every time. Durability: the shine and protection offered by this spray last throughout the day, ensuring your hair looks fresh and glossy from morning to night. Its nourishing ingredients also contribute to long-term hair health, making it a great investment for your styling routine. Radiant hair can elevate your entire look, and with the right hair shine spray, it's just a spritz away. Whether you're after the luxurious finish of Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo or the versatile glow of Amika Blockade Shine Spray, each of these products brings something unique to the table. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect match for your hair needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert reviews and haircare tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.